So in order to remove the air filter, first what you have to do is to disconnect these two connectors connected to the air filter box. Take it out the cap of the filter box. Now slowly with a little screwdriver you can take the air filter out. Like you can see, it's really dirty. Here we have the new one. Install it like the previous was installed. Put the cap from the air filter back in. It's not that easy, you have just to push it a little bit harder. Put the screws back on, but be really sure that the cap from the air filter box is exactly in place. And now be sure that you tie it really well. You can connect back the two connectors from the air filter box. Put this air filter tube back in. It's really easy, like you can see in the video. That easy you can replace the air filter. I also check fast the brake fluid, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching and see you in next video.